Hi everybody, this is me, Kobe, and today we are going to modify the tire carrier, and because our regular tires were 33 inch, but now the tires are 35 inch, so we need to modify this to make it fit. Because this thing is touching this, and the tire needs to be touching this thing.
Yep. Cool.
Okay, we're gonna take the tire off. He's so strong. And we're gonna compare it to the 33 inch. So as you can see, the 35 inch is way bigger than the 33 inch that we have on this truck. What we're gonna need is a 13 millimeter T25 Torx, and then our hardware, it comes with it, and then this is our thing that we have to put on their tire carrier.
Yep. Cool. So it should be pretty easy.
Yep, because we just have to twist some bolts and just modify, like a simple modification. Let's get down to business.
Today we're doing the spare tire carrier for our 35-inch tires because we're moving from 33s to 35s, and I got Kobe here helping me with the video and with the wrenching. So we're gonna get into it. We're going to loosen the bolts on the factory carrier, and then loosen the cover for the brake light, and we're gonna adjust the wiring, and then we're gonna bolt our carrier onto the Jeep, and then bolt this carrier onto the carrier that we're modifying it for. So we're just gonna get into that, and we'll show you what that looks like when we're done.